Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can refer your friends on Temu, so let's get right into it. For this, I'll be using this article online because I cannot get this to work on my phone. However, you might have a bit more luck. I have seen that people have used this method for a very long time. However, for some reason, I cannot find the right buttons. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Now, to actually refer a friend on Temu, what you need to do is go ahead and open up the app once you get it and make sure to log into your account. Once you do, at the bottom you'll see the U button, which you want to click, and that's going to take you over to your profile and give you other options. Now, the button that you want to search for, which I can't find, is the earn credits and free gifts button. Click on that and then you'll get a list of some games which you can use, and somewhere along the lines of you can click either free gifts or redeem cash, and you'll have some either activities or mini games or, well, pretty much just information which you can use. And then you should somewhere around there you should find the refer friends button. Once you do, you just need to click on it, and that'll allow you to either copy the link and send it manually. You can send it through email, text, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, whatever. And then once your friend clicks on it, and once they make an account on Temu, if they don't already have it, you will get a referral on your account, which will then give you either store credit or other useful things. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.